Another night under neon lights, headphones screaming through the static sky. Your picture glowing on my phone, 3 missed calls, and I let them die. You waited up in the living room while I drowned inside another tune. Said just one song 1,000 times while your tears fell between the lines. Cold coffee on the counter still, your jacket hanging by the windowsill. You needed me, I needed fame, and somehow love became a game. You were begging for a little time, I was chasing ghosts inside my mind. Every promise turned to smoke, every forever that I spoke. And now all I hear is the sound of you leaving. The slam of the door still repeats while I'm breathing. I gave all my heart to these hollow recordings while you were alone and slowly mourning. I thought I was building a life we could live in, but every late night only I won the distance. Now the studio's quiet, but the silence is screaming with the sound of you leaving. I still see your name in the message thread, words I should have said instead. You deserve more than empty nights, but I buried us beneath these lights. You said my eyes look tired and gone, like I love the music more all along. And God, I hated hearing truth, because deep inside I knew you were reaching out your hand while I was too blind to understand. I kept saying someday soon, till someday stop loving me too. And now all I hear is the sound of you leaving, the echo of your footsteps, still tears through the evening. I gave every second to chasing a feeling while your heart was breaking, silently bleeding. I thought success would fix the change, but empty rooms don't heal abandonment. Now the studio's quiet, but the silence is screaming with the sound of you leaving. What's the point of every song if you're not here to sing along? What's the point of all these dreams if they destroyed everything? Gold records can't hold me close, can't say the words I needed most. And all these melodies I made can't bring you back phone screaming through the static sky. And I finally hear what I